Mansory's last project is the Ferrari Portofino M. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we have, in the past few hours, Mansory presenting his latest tuning project, which this time it concerns the Ferrari Portofino M. And as you can see from the various images, the prancing horse supercar has received several aesthetic changes. Now, the Portofino M has a fully retractable hardtop covered in the typical Ferrari P200 carbon wave structure. Now, in addition, you have the new Mansory YM5 rims on the side profile and a new high-performance sports exhaust system. Now, the entire body kit applied by the tuner to the Maranello car includes additional aerodynamic parts made of carbon fiber. Now, that's not all, because the tuning company has also thought about retouching the passenger compartment of the Ferrari Portofino M, proposing completely leather interiors. Now, in addition to the aesthetic part, Mansory got its hands on the 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8 engine. Now, as standard, the racing car offers 620 horsepower and 760 newton-meters of maximum torque and offers a really good performance. In particular, it sprints from 0 to 100 kilometers, 62 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds and reaches a top speed of 320 kilometers an hour. Now, the modified version, on the other hand, offers 800 horsepower and 950 newton meters and respective numbers of 2.9 and 335 kilometers an hour. Finally, Mansory states that this modified Ferrari Portofino M consumes 13.8 liters per kilometer in a combined cycle and emits 328 grams per kilometer of CO2 again in the combined cycle. Now, as you can recall, the Ferrari Portofino M features an elegant and dynamic design with the flowing lines and sinuous curves that recall the iconic Italian style. Now, the bodywork has been optimized to improve aerodynamics and reduce overall weight, resulting in a greater efficiency but better road handling, which makes a difference. Now, the front is characterized by the typical grille of the historic Italian brand, while the ultra-thin LED headlights and the side air intakes give it an aggressive and modern look. Now, the retractable rigid aluminum top allows the Portofino M to be transformed into a real spider in just 14 seconds, offering maximum freedom to enjoy the open-top driving. Now, the 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8 is matted to an 8-speed F1 dual-clutch gearbox, which ensures quick and smooth gear changes, maximizing efficiency and driving pleasure. Now, furthermore, the Portofino M is equipped with the E-Diff electronic traction control system, which offers optimal torque distribution between the rear wheels and ensures outstanding stability even in the most demanding conditions. Now, the interior offers a refined and luxurious environment with high-quality materials and handcrafted details. The sports seats in leather and Alcantara guarantee maximum comfort and support, while the multifunction steering wheel and the 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster offer the engaging driving experience. Now, in terms of technology, well, the Ferrari Portofino M features a complete infotainment system with an 8.8-inch touch display, Bluetooth, and Apple CarPlay connectivity. You also have satellite navigation and a variety of driver assistance functions. Now, among these, the new adaptive cruise control, parking assist, blind spot monitoring, and the 360-degree camera make the driving safer and more enjoyable. Now, you also have the adaptive suspension with magnetorological control, offering the possibility of choosing between different driving modes using the Manatino on the steering wheel. Now, this allows drivers to tailor the car to their preference and road conditions, ensuring a tailor-made drive every time. So normally, Mansory goes all out, but this is a subtle look for the Portofino M, and now it kind of gets me excited to see what they're going to do with the Roma Spider now that the Portofino M is being discontinued and the Ferrari Roma Spider is taking its place. So this might be one of the last iterations of the Ferrari Portofino you'll see, but did they do the send-off justice? If so, drop those comments down below. What do you guys think about Mansory's take on the Ferrari Portofino M? Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we'll have a bigger discussion on the Ferrari Portofino M by Mansory. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down in the description below. We have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, and Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. Appreciate the extra love. As always, guys, keeps the channel going. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch, social media links, and subscribe to the channel, but make sure you click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. So with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.